Hi, today's video I'm going to teach you how to create or draw beautiful images with AI tool, and this is totally free called Freepik Pikaso.ai. And to the following website, you can also click on the card in the top right hand corner, or you could click on the link down below in the description. Now click on this button called Try Picasso Now, and this redirect us into main canvas, which we convert our imagination into images. So on your landing page it should look like this, and I haven't created an account yet because I want to take you step by step. So the first thing you want to do when checking this out is sign up. So let's sign up together. Click that button and you'll arrive on this landing page where basically you can continue with Google, Facebook or email. I'm going to go continue with Google here. Now this should be the landing page. Here on the left side the color panel and a lot of tools here. We are going to take them one by one. So before we get into the tools, I want to show you how it works. Basically on the left side is your Canva. This is where you draw, and on the right side is the real-time output. So if I change the place of the bot, there expect the one on the right will change itself. Also easy as that, right? How good is that? Anyway, let's move on the part 1, changing the prompt. This one right here. So for now I'm going to change it. For example, now it's going to be landscape. Now I can select all and then type here a landscape image of ocean with boat. Also I want a sun on top. I'm going to put on thunder cloud. As you can see right there, real time it's changing thunder clouds, a boat, a pirate boat to be exact, with a Jolly Roger on the as easy as that. So this is going to be my new prompt, and as you can see it's very fast to adapt. Part 2 is painting. So click on that option right here and basically choose the color. I'm going to go with green color. Now over here, for example, I'm going to create tree, and let me just check that on out. As you can see, I only graded a green color. So basically AI is just guessing what are you drawing. So how about some black color? Over there I choose black color and then create a heart shape on it. Let's see how it works, and basically it gave me a Jolly Roger with a ship on it. Now for the part 3, shape, it's going to be on icons, and technically it's basically these ships right here. So for example, I want some tree. Again I'm going to get the tree, just drag and drop from here. As you can see, the real time is working. Now moving on the part 4, we focus on imagination. It's going to be this one right here. So if you modify this one, the lesser it's referring to the prompt or the thing you do on the left side. So as you can see right there, if no imagination, it's basically the same thing as we draw. The higher the imagination, the more powerful the AI, but it's going to be far from the one creating. So I suggest between 60 to 70 is the sweet spot on this one. Part 5 is regenerate. This one right here, or rather let's call this reimagine. If you are not satisfied with the result, simply click on this one and then AI or the Picasso AI will regenerate your results as so. Also you have the enhancement function on this Freepik Pikaso. Basically that's it's upscaling the colors, the color grading, everything is fixing. Part 6 is downloading. If you are satisfied with this one, simply click on this button right there, and there is pop-up screen of some options. You can download by landscape or portrait. Also you can download the both images, the one you are creating and the one you are making, or the single image. Just simply click on this button right here and then click on this button which says download, and there basically it will go to your PC without a problem. So there is no payment subscription for this one. Now moving on, the last part is going to be custom model. So to proceed on custom model is clearing the Canva. Now click on this delete icon and then clear my canvas. Now I can change my background color from here. Click on it and then choose white from here. Now there you go, and right now if you pay close on the upload section, you can basically upload a specific sample. So I'm going to upload my sample. Now it's basically creating its own prompt, or rather on result on the right side. Now I'm going to enter anything just yet, but for now I'm going to enter a prompt. So let's say right here I'm going to say red hair and cloudy background. I think AI find my prompt as female, so I want clear that this is male character with white shoes shoes standing on the road. Wow, I think it's amazing to see there. The next thing I can do right now is basically enhance the image. I can also click on this reimagine button to properly change my output. By the way, which this one is I'm satisfied, simply again click on download right there. Alright, I would love to hear about your experience with generating AI images with Freepik Pikaso. Share your thoughts and results in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video, and if you found it helpful, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.